What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you do not know, I'm Brie Renee, straight from the A, okay? And if you have not done so, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I just got back home from work. It's Sunday, it's gloomy, it's ugly. Work, and then I went to Sephora and I got some goodies. So I was like, oh, I can't wait to go home and show y'all. So first things first, I really went in there for this because I have been needing some setting spray, and Urban Decay is really known for their setting spray. So I got like the little travel size because I don't really do my makeup myself that much, but when I do, I don't have any setting spray. So I got their long lasting makeup setting spray. See that? Can't wait to try that. As well as I had to re-up on some of my favorite glosses, and this is my lip balm that I wear all the time. I actually found this summer doing another Sephora haul. You can check that out on my page. It's already up. Such a good sheer lip balm by Laneige. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I love their lip products. They feel so good. Like not thick, not too thick, not too light, not too thin, but like creamy and soft and moisturizing, but also give you, like, you see, just a little tint, a little gloss. As well as I just got these two glosses. They're Sephora gloss, shade Sleek and shade Not Today. I think Not Today is gonna be really creamy and like give you that nude ombre look with the dark liner, and then this one is like kind of pinkish, but it has like a shimmer to it, which we love a good shimmer and shine. Then I also got this Rihanna body butter. I've been really wanting to try this. I heard it smells good. The whipped oil body cream. Oh, it does smell good. Let me see how it feels. Okay, I like how that feels. And it smells really nice. Yeah, I like that. It smells clean, like you just got out the shower. Okay, so I'm definitely taking me a nice little bath tonight and going to moisturize myself, and it give you like a good shine. I like that. I love a good shiny lotion. Like, don't have me looking bare. I want to look glowy, dewy, you know? But I also, because tomorrow I will be seeing my boo Tori for the last time this season, this year. So I got her a little gift from Sephora. She kept saying all year, if anybody love me, just buy me lip gloss, just buy me lip gloss. So that's what I got her, some lip gloss. I got her, let me try to keep the paper cute. I got her the same color that I got me, the Sleek, because it's a pink sheer with like a gloss. Who doesn't like a little glittery? She loves shimmery stuff. So it's like a little glittery gloss. Plus I got her the Laneige grapefruit. This is the one I'm wearing, like I've been using every day, but I got her grapefruit because under those lips, then the lip gloss, we still got to be moisturized. I got her a little $25 gift card so she can go pick out her own colors of a lip gloss, and she loves these smell good hand sanitizers from Sephora, so I also got her one of these in wild watermelon scent. So yeah, I'm gonna give her that tomorrow. I know she's gonna love it and be so surprised because she doesn't even know she's getting anything. And I haven't seen her in a couple weeks, so I know that'll be like, oh, I miss you, got you a little Christmas gift, early Christmas gift. And she loves Christmas, that's her favorite season. So I definitely wanted to grab her something like that to just say, I love you, I miss you, and I'm thinking about you even if I don't see you on Christmas. Now, because it is Sunday and I need to like reset myself, I'm going to clean out the fridge, y'all. When I tell y'all my refrigerator smells so bad, and it's just so junky in there. It's so much stuff in there, just stockpiled, something wasted at the bottom. It's just a mess. It's a complete mess. So I said today I was going to go in and clean out the refrigerator and then probably go grocery shopping sometime this week, because I did just finish Diet December week. So the entire week, last week, I didn't eat any food. So everything in there is probably like bad. That's probably why it smells so bad. So of course I didn't go grocery shopping any last week or the week before that because I knew I was about to go on a diet. So everything in there needs to be trashed. And I'll go through like certain condiments and I'll be like if I'm using this or not. This is my way of reorganizing my entire house like little by little. So today I'm doing a refrigerator. I also kind of want to do, I don't know if I'll get to it today, but because I'm feeling like so drained and tired. But if I do get to it today after the fridge, I'm gonna like do my nightstand area. It's so many like books and like random things in that drawer and just in that corner that I need to like declutter and get rid of. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of me cleaning out the fridge today. So let's see what it looked like before. So before, looks like this. Junkety junk, junk, junk. And something in there smells crazy. I don't know what it is, but everything must go. Let's get to cleaning. Expired. Y'all seen that commercial where the lady's like, expired, expired. This expired before it even got open. This is letting me know I waste too much money on shit that I don't eat. I know this is old. This is hair products. I don't know how you know if eggs are old or not. Old meat? Ew. Like, this is ridiculous. I have no idea what the f that was. Now it's clean. Now I gotta do that part where the drinks go, and you see it's all sticky, something wasted. I'm throwing all these like cinnamon rolls out because I don't need to make that. I am so proud of myself right now. Y'all want to see the finished product? Let's look at the finished product of the fridge. Everything not expired. Clean, clean, clean. I couldn't get in between that to clean that out. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna have to get somebody to help me like take the glass off. I don't know how to, I couldn't figure it out. But yeah, cleaned out everything. Cause that is driving me wild, but clean. And then restocked all my water. I had this little wine, and I love these. These are really great for if you like to drink soda or need a burp after eating, but it has 0 sugar. And so many great flavors. So I try not to drink too many because I'm trying to just get more water in, but I do have one of those. Yeah, I am stocked up and ready to go. My niece them drew all on this, but anyways, that is my reset. When I tell you I feel so accomplished by doing that, I feel like a grown ass woman. When the last time you cleaned your fridge? Okay. I want to do a giveaway. I am going to give away a $100 Amazon gift card or a $100 Cash App to 2 people. But you have had to made it this far in the video to know. Below, you must comment expired. You have to be subscribed to my channel first and foremost. Okay, you have to be subscribed. And you must comment expired below along with your Instagram handle. And I'll randomly select 2 people to give away the $100 to. Good luck. Hey guys, I'm so excited. I've already been to the gym today. I worked out, even though it was really hard. I pushed through and already had my first protein shake of the day, which is my breakfast. And now I took a shower, put on some comfy clothes because today is Evie's birthday. And if you don't know who Evie is by now, Evie is my puppy. She turns 3 today. So I'm about to take your girl to go get her hair done like a Betty. Okay, for her birthday, she's gonna get a cut. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna get color or not. I kind of don't want to because it's been so rainy and gloomy and the rain just messes up the color. But Evie, come here. Come here. Come here, girl. You wanna go outside? Then make her come. Come here, girl. Let's show them. This is how Evie looks now. You see, I was waiting to get her groomed because her birthday was coming up. So her hair is super long right now, all over her body. She is a Pekingese and poodle mix, which means she's a peekapoo. And today is my baby's birthday. I can't wait to get her groomed. I'm thinking I'm gonna get all of her body cut short because her hair gets matted really easy, and then keep her boots or her legs long. But we'll see. Let them see you before. Say hey, YouTube. Hey, breezy babies. Hey, y'all. Okay. Let's go to the groomers because we are a little late, but they right across the street, so no worries. Okay, guys, so I just picked up Evie from the groomers and she got her hair done. She looks completely different. Look how cute the birthday girl look. Yes, okay, so she had to get shaved down all over her body, and then she has these cute little boots. You see her little boots and her fluffy tail, her fluffy ears. She looks so freaking cute. I'm gonna put on her birthday dress. Then I'm gonna call Summer and Polka because they have dogs. And we're gonna sing happy birthday to Evie. Okay, stay up here. She like, Mom, I'm so cold. Wait, don't be trying to look at your gifts. Look at her cute birthday dress. Crack up. Okay, I want to be calling them. Hello.
Hello?
Hey girl, let me put on her birthday dress. Where is Polka? And get Skylar.
Skylar's right here. Come here, Tinky.
Gotta put on a little birthday dress. You look so cute. So cute. It's crazy how much hair, when her hair is going, how much smaller she is. You're really a small dog. Okay, turn your camera on. Are you ready to see her?
Let me see how she do it. Oh my gosh, she looks so pretty.
Look at her.
I like that.
Look at her little tutu. And then her body is short. You see her little boots?
She looks fabulous.
And her little fluffy tail. And then her ears.
I love it.
You look so
She's best with Evelyn.
Evelyn!
They did such a good job.
They did. And it was only 70 bucks.
Oh yes, Skylar, you will be attending there.
Yeah, and it's across the street from my house. Okay, I'm vlogging. We're gonna sing her happy birthday. I have her a little ice cream. You're sitting there and I got her some toys. Okay, ready? Let me, yeah, sit at the thing like a little birthday girl. Okay.
Happy birthday.
Wait, let me open the thing. Okay. Look, there's ice cream. She licking her lips already. To you, happy birthday to you.
Happy
Birthday, dear Evie. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Look, it's your favorite, that Ben and Jerry's.
That is my favorite actress. Oh, you look like a princess.
You do. Okay, while you eat that, I'm gonna show you your gift. Look,
Oh my gosh.
it squeaks. And this part is soft like you like it. And this part makes that little rattle noise like you like it. You like that? That's TT on the phone. It's kind of dark. And then I also got you this one because you like when I throw the tire. Oh, you really like the purple one, huh?
She's like, yeah, like it's almost time to get down, sis.
Yeah, look, and then I got you this tire and a rope so sometimes we can tug it if you want.
Like, what is today? I'm sitting in this chair.
You're right, you never sit in this chair.
It's your birthday, girl.
Ice cream.
This is delicious.
All right.
What did I do for this? My mom let me sit in the chair. I can't even get on the bed.
Right. And she had a spa day.
Oh my gosh, her hair is so long and luscious. You literally look like your mom as a kid.
Like as a puppy. It's so cute.
Oh, and your love of ice cream. Oh, Evie, you look so fucking pretty.
Oh, okay.
You look so cute in your fucking jacket, yo. Because you look adorable right now.
She just growled at me when I tried to move her hair out of her mouth. Like,
Don't touch it. I'm licking my mouth.
that's how I am when people try to take ice cream from me.
I'm like, that's enough. You like,
Right.
it's Evie's birthday.
Okay, wait. She's like, wait. Let me take your picture. Just one picture, okay? I just need one good pic. Okay, I'm gonna hold the ice cream right above. Look. Say cheese. Wait, no. She coming for it. Go back. Oh, you look so cute. Okay, wait. Say cheese. It's her birthday, dog. Alright, guys. So I'm headed to the Revolt holiday party. I'm going to show you my cute little outfit first before I go. I really just trying to keep it cute and simple because it's pouring down rain and my hair is a mess anyways. So I got this little bun. I didn't really put on real makeup. I just have on lip liner, a little blush, and mascara. This cute little top. It's like a crop with these fringes, some flare jeans, and I figured I'd throw on this silver boot, the Balenciaga boots, because you see the shirt has the little silver. It's kind of giving chill rockstar vibes. I'm gonna wear my gray Dior purse, and I feel like I do need to take a light jacket. I might just throw on a leather jacket because it's kind of giving like rockstar vibes. So yeah, this is the fit. This is like my new makeup, no makeup look. You see, no foundation, little blush, a little bronzer, heavy lip, and mascara. I really need something for my eyebrows and or to get my eyebrows done, but that's neither here nor there. So I'm gonna take you guys with me so you can see all the people I love at work. Let's go.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm vlogging. I'm not live, but I'm vlogging.
Overnight, you out of sight, you magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more.
Valina makes our life easy. You know, Tiara does all the dope footage behind the scenes, and Tiara is who edits my vlogs.
Yeah, I was all you had, and all my heart is beating for you. I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you.
I love my Revolt family. This is so fun.